Breaking news coming in. Second round of talks between farmers and centre is underway. Union ministers Narendra Singh Tomar and Piyush Goyal are holding talks with the farmers. It's an all-important, very crucial meeting right there. The agriculture minister speaking with the farmers at the moment alongside Piyush Goyal. Looks like some sort of a plausible solution may just be achieved from this particular meeting. The farmers are absolutely clear. They've given their set of demands in writing as well to the central government. The central government has a copy of the demands that has been put forth by the farmers. At the moment, the central government is having a talk with the farmers and hoping for a plausible resolution to come out on the back of this. But the central government has also made it very clear that they will not be repealing the farm law. So we'll wait and watch to see how this meeting really pans out, what comes out of this meeting as well. Once the meeting is over, we will be able to update in terms of what really transpired in this particular meeting. Rahul Srivastav getting us all the very latest details. Rahul, what's the inside scoop at the moment? The centre and the farmers, that crucial meeting finally underway with Piyush Goyal and Narendra Singh Tomar talking to the farmers. What are we picking up in terms of the inside track from this meeting?
Shruti, what we can tell the viewers that the farmers had submitted a long charter of demands or objections as far as the 3 farm bills are concerned, and various other demands of theirs when it comes to, say, stubble burning penalties and others. And what we can say that after the arrival of the ministers, after a due briefing with the Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah, the meeting is underway, and in that a point-by-point presentation and answering of the objections and queries of the farmer unions has started. There are several officials and others who are present inside the meeting between the government's ministers and the 40-odd farm unions, and a point-by-point addressing is on. Each point which was raised by the farmers as far as the doubts, fears or demands is being taken up right now. And that is why sources are saying that this meeting could well take a long time. What some sources inside have told me that it could well last for nearly 4 hours today. Because one, all the issues have to be addressed, raised by the farmers. And after that, there might be a discussion on the way out of as far as the protests and the lack of a common ground between the government and the farmers is concerned. And that is why government sources are saying that there are certain proposals which are likely to be made. One very important one is a written assurance from the government that the MSP will not disappear or will not be abolished. Farmers will continue to continue getting the MSP as far as structure is concerned, giving an assurance that also the mandi structure will not be dismantled. That will exist. A new system in which farmers can take their produce to private players will be an alternate one. In which the governments of the state can ensure that the MSP will be adhered to as far as the minimum support price for the farm produce is concerned. The panel element as far as creating a committee, that is still there as far as the government is concerned. It may not be averse to proposing it again, but since the farmers have already said a very strong no to it in the last meeting, the government may not be reaching out to the farmer unions with that as the first option. The government may go in for other options.
All right, Rahul, hold on right there. Let's listen to Captain Amrit.
And also the security of the nation.
ਕੈਪਟਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਗ੍ਰਹਿ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਵੀ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਅੰਦੋਲਨ ਬਾਰੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਚਰਚਾ?
ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਦੱਸ ਚੁੱਕਿਆ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਗ੍ਰਹਿ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨਾਲ ਸਿਰਫ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜੋ ਸਾਡੀ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਦੁਹਰਾਈ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ, ਔਰ ਨਾਲੇ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਹੱਲ ਨਿਕਲਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਜਲਦੀ, ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਪੀਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ। ਔਰ ਆਪ ਦੇ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਅਪੀਲ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਕਿਸਾਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਕਿ ਇਹਦਾ ਹੱਲ ਆਪਾਂ ਜਲਦੀ ਕੱਢੀਏ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਆਰਥਿਕਤਾ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਅਸਰ ਪੈ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਸਿਕਿਉਰਿਟੀ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਅਸਰ ਪੈ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ।
ਕੈਪਟਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਇੱਕ ਸਵਾਲ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਬਹੁਤ ਦੇਰ ਬਾਅਦ ਸੱਦਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਇੱਥੇ।
Do you want the farm bills to be taken back because that's what the farmers are protesting about?
We have reiterated our position, what Punjab stands for, and now discussion is going on between Government of India and the farmers. Let them decide.
Simran Badal alleges that you are negotiating with the government on this, and there's a kind of a trade-off between you and the Modi government.
What is that?
A trade-off between you and the the Modi government, that both of you are hand in glove.
You want to provoke me to give you answer?
वापस होने चाहिए ने कि शोध होनी चाहिए कानून वापस होने चाहिए कानून वापस होने चाहिए शोध होनी चाहिए
दोनों जिन्ना कहना सी
And the Modi government.
What is that?
A trade-off between you and the Modi government, that both of you are hand in glove.
You want to provoke me to give you answer?
लगा के रखना होगी
दोनों जिन्ना कहना सी
With his first up reaction right there after meeting with Amit Shah, the Home Minister, over the farmers' protest that we're seeing. He's gone on to say that he has appealed for a quick resolution on this issue. Punjab's economy is getting impacted because of the protests we are seeing at the moment. His meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah is over. It was a long pending meeting for the past 1 month. Finally, the meeting took place and he's appealed to the Home Minister for a quick and plausible resolution on this particular issue, going on to say that this stir is impacting the economy of Punjab. Let's listen in to Captain Amrinder Singh once again.
ਕਿ ਜੋ ਸਾਡੀ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਦੁਹਰਾਈ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਔਰ ਨਾਲੇ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਹੱਲ ਨਿਕਲਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਜਲਦੀ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਪੀਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਆਪ ਦੇ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਅਪੀਲ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਕਿਸਾਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਕਿ ਇਹਦਾ ਹੱਲ ਆਪਾਂ ਜਲਦੀ ਕੱਢੀਏ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਆਰਥਿਕਤਾ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਅਸਰ ਪੈ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਸਿਕਿਉਰਿਟੀ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਅਸਰ ਪੈ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ
कैप्टन साहब एक सवाल आ रहा है
बहुत देर बाद सद्या गया थे. Do you want the farm bills to be taken back because that's what the farmers are protesting about?
We have reiterated our position, what Punjab stands for, and now it is discussion is going on between Government of India and the farmers. Let them
Harsimrat
decide.
Kaur Badal alleges that you are negotiating with the government on this, and there's a kind of a trade-off between you and the Modi government.
What is that?
Between you and the Modi government, that both of you are hand in glove.
You want to provoke me to give you answer?
कानून वापस होने चाहिए ने कि शोध होनी चाहिए कानून वापस होने चाहिए कानून वापस होने चाहिए शोध होनी चाहिए
दोनों जिन्ना कहना सी
Anand Patel now joins us. Anand, Captain Amrinder Singh's first up reaction coming in after the meeting that has gotten done with the Home Minister. At the moment, he has appealed to the Home Minister to find a quick, plausible solution to this issue. If you could just give us the inside scoop of what transpired in the meeting and was it even fruitful to begin with?
ਔਰ ਨਾਲੇ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਹੱਲ ਨਿਕਲਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਜਲਦੀ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਪੀਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ
Anand will be joining us in just about a bit to get us up to speed with the latest that is coming in from the meeting that took place between Captain Amrinder Singh and Home Minister Amit Shah that just wound up. On the other side, you also have Narendra Singh Tomar and Piyush Goyal meeting up with the farmers, and that meeting is also currently on. A lot of action taking place on the back of the protest by the farmers as well.